Scotts Run Station South is one of the biggest applications that Fairfax County has ever seen. It's about 17 new high-rise or mid-rise buildings with office, residential, retail. The application brings a lot of the vision forward from the comprehensive plan, including new streets, stream restoration for the Scotts Run Stream Valley, which is in degraded shape right now, plus an athletic field and a fire station that's needed to support all the new residents. Well, it takes an area that's predominantly a office park today with low to mid-rise office buildings surrounded by parking, surface parking, and transform it into streets and new buildings with retail along the bottom levels and active amenities for the residents. So we can hope that we can see some residential building and a new office building in the next year or two.